Danke bafethu. So iMamelodi Sundowns-ke sekuconfirmiwe ukuthi i-renew i-contract kaMvala ba-make sure ukuthi bayamgcina ngempela umfana as one of their key players laphana ethimini yabo. So just after weeks ba-renew i-contract kaThemba Zwane, one of the main guys laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. So manje seba-renew i-contract kaMvala uku-make sure ukuthi okay lama-senior players lawa se-contribute kakhulu ethimini siyawagcina ngempela and siyabonisa ukuthi sisabadinga lamajita yabo. So siyaqhubeka ngesitory sakaMvala ukuthi sihamba kanjani laphana neMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi ugcine vele waye-renew i-contract yakhe. Lo mdlali-ke lo weBafana Bafana kusayine i-deal laphana ezomgcina kuMamelodi Sundowns until June 2026 yabo. Kune-option-ke from i-club ukuthi inga-exercise. Uma ubheka kahle kusho ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns imnike a 1-year contract yabo nje kuphela, kusho ukuthi nje next year 2026 uMvala ngahamba kuMamelodi Sundowns yabo. uMvala kuthiwa uqeda ukubuya laphana ku-injury yabo. Wenza i-substitute appearance against iMagesi Sunday. Expectiwe vele ukuthi uzodlala mhlawumbe i-crucial role laphana ku-final against i-Pyramids. So lo mdlali lona ona-30 wajoyina iMamelodi Sundowns ngo-2020 ku-5-year deal leya include i-option yokuthi a-extend yabo. So sedlale nje ama-match awu-119 laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns for ama-champions. Uskore amagoli ayi-7 umfana, washaya ama-assist-ke awu-4 kuwo wonke ama-competitions ake wadlala for iMamelodi Sundowns. Lo mdlali lona uke wadlala futhi nakuBafana Bafana futhi uyadlala kuBafana Bafana nakuma-youth wakhona ku-international South Africa uyadlala ngempela, uke wadlala semncane uMvala. So sekunesikhathi umfana akhona ku-professional setup. Naye-ke uzobabhekile-ke lapho uMvala njengoba abuya ku-injury ukuthi abe khona kubadlali abazoya ku-AFCON 2025 njengoba ilo Bafana Bafana iqualifyile, nanokuthi mhlawumbe abe khona kuma-World Cup qualifiers. But-ke solinda lokho sibone ukuthi uMvala uzokwazi ukuba one of the men or one of the guys lapha abazokwazi ukuthi baba-select for iBafana Bafana because he was out for a very long time yabo, engadlali laphana. But let's wait and see ukuthi iMamelodi silo iBafana Bafana ucoach Hugo Broos uzombiza na uMvala. But-ke kusamele naye athole i-game time serious. So iMamelodi Sundowns so this weekend izodlala nePyramids yase-Egypt laphana ku-first leg ye-CAF Champions League. And then i-feature i-second leg izodlala in 2 weeks time lena eCairo yabo. So iMamelodi Sundowns iwine i-league number 8 ngokulandelana, i-make sure ukuthi vele iyadominate eligini. Last game yabo bashaya iMagesi FC 2-0 already league bese sebayiwinile, but ba-make sure ukuthi bayishaya iMagesi. uRibeiro simbonile laphana ashaya amagoli amahle yabo. So under-ke ucoach omusha lona uMiguel Cardoso, iSundowns-ke make sure ukuthi yayiwina futhi i-league like yayiwina i-league ngempela yabo. Yeah, I think for iMamelodi Sundowns it's given vele ukuthi i-league bayayithatha nanokuthi bane-quality squad ngempela. Kunzima for ama-team amaningi ukuthi a-compete nabo, they have to up their game ukuthi ba-compete neMamelodi Sundowns ngempela because iMamelodi Sundowns iyimisele ngempela futhi they don't drop the ball, they make sure ukuthi they give it all inside the field of play. So but-ke yeah, I think it's for Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bakwazi kuyi-match iMamelodi Sundowns. But-ke njengoba sivala sothi congratulations to uMvala nokuthi bamnikele umfana i-new contract, basamgcina lapha eNhlorokop njengoba usasenaso vele isikhathi ukuthi adlale ngempela, experience unayo uMvala. Bafana International, iMamelodi Sundowns laphana one of the key players. Congratulations to uMvala. Danko.